Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create different types of frame shape using the mask button. So go to the library and add in either a white or a black border or any color that you want, but you have to download it first. Then you go to the mask button, and for instance you want an oval shape, press the reverse button and adjust the oval to the video frame. You can also feather it out a little bit if you don't want the frame to be not feathered out. You also have a heart option as well. Just make sure you reverse that too to create the heart shape. And I do like to feather it out just a little bit. You can also make it into a heart shape, like the outer part. Let me just adjust this a little bit. Here, right click, create compound clip, and then select the heart shape again to create a heart shaped frame. And you can scale it if you'd like to, but it will leave this weird mark on it. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!